Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to install and set the charging station on DREAME Roboticmover. So first we have our charging dock and this brush. So in here we're gonna just slide it like that and it's installed. So now we have this platform and the loading dock. We install these three things. Oh, I'll show you like this. These three things in these three holes like that. Now just slide it all the way in like that and push down, but I need to plug it more deep. Okay, and now just push down and that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.